These mini cheesecakes are incredibly delicious, and honestly, they're so easy to make. They're rich, creamy, and perfectly portioned with that buttery graham cracker crust. Perfect for events, parties, potlucks, and highly customizable. To get all of the recipe details, check out sweetysalado.com/en. The first step is to make the crust. And to make it, I'm using graham crackers because it's more traditional. However, you can use your favorite type of cookie. We place them in a food processor, and then we're going to blend them completely until they become almost like a powder. Now we're going to place the crumbs into a bowl, and then we're going to add melted butter. We're also going to add sugar to make it nice and sweet. And for flavor, we're going to add ground cinnamon. Then we're going to mix it really well until everything's well combined. The next step is to line a muffin pan with cupcake liners, and then we place about 2 tablespoons of the crust into each liner. Now I have measured every single ingredient to make the crust, and so you're going to have the perfect amount to make 12 mini cheesecakes. Then we're going to firmly press the crust into the liner. I'm using the bottom of a shot glass just to make it easier. And then we bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 6 to 8 minutes. Now we're going to make the filling, and to make it, we're going to place room temperature or softened cream cheese into a large bowl, and we're going to cream it with white sugar. I'm using a hand mixer just to make things easier, but you can also use a stand mixer, or to make it simpler, just cream everything by using a spatula. And don't forget to scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl. After we blend the cream cheese with the sugar, we're going to add sour cream, which is going to make the cheesecakes less dense, and it's going to give them a really nice smooth texture. Then we add vanilla extract for flavor and a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness of the cheesecakes. And once again, we're going to give it a good mix. For structure and to bind everything well, we're going to add 2 large eggs, and we're going to add them one at a time. And once again, we're going to make sure to scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl to make sure everything's well combined. Once we have the filling ready, we're going to divide it into every single liner. And just like with the crust, I measured every ingredient so that you have the perfect amount to make 12 mini cheesecakes. We're going to bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until the edges are set and the centers are slightly jiggly. Another thing that I do, which is completely optional, is fill a separate pan with boiling water, and I place it in the rack right below the cheesecakes to prevent any cracks and to make sure they come out nice and creamy. We're going to let the mini cheesecakes cool at room temperature on a cooling rack for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then we transfer them to the fridge and chill them for at least 2 hours before serving. And you can serve these cheesecakes any way you want. You can serve them with strawberry sauce, homemade whipped cream with berries on top, or with your favorite caramel sauce.